Hey everyone! Black Friday's just weeks away, and Amazon's already dropping some crazy early deals. Real discounts on smartwatches, headphones, kitchen gadgets, TVs, and more. I know it can get overwhelming, so I went through everything to find the best value deals actually worth your money. No fluff, just savings. So if you're ready to score big this Black Friday, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's jump into the deals. Let's go! Alright, starting off with home and cleaning stuff because there are some seriously good deals here that'll make your life way easier. First up, the UpBooze handheld cordless vacuum is only $30, down from $150. It's got a washable metal filter and HEPA filters that capture 99.99% of dust. One-click dust emptying, super quiet at under 75 decibels, and it's a 2-in-1. It can vacuum and blow air to get dust out of crevices. Only weighs 1 pound, so you can use it with one hand. LED display shows battery level, and it gives you 30 minutes runtime in eco mode. For $30, that's insane value. Next, the BedSure Fleece Throw Blanket is just $9. It's thicker and softer than ever with upgraded premium microfiber. Lightweight, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Couch, office, camping, traveling. Enhanced durability with neat stitching. This makes an amazing gift for the holidays at this price. Now this is cool. The Apple AirTag 4-pack is down to $80 from $99. If you're always losing stuff, these are game changers. Track your wallet, luggage, backpack, keys, anything. You can share AirTags with up to 5 people. They have precision finding with ultra-wideband technology, and they tap into Apple's Find My network with hundreds of millions of devices. Put them in lost mode, and get notified when they're detected. The Yeti Rambler 42-ounce tumbler is $32, down from $45. This is a beast of a hydrator. 18/8 stainless steel that resists dents, double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold forever. No sweat design keeps your hands dry, dishwasher safe, and it comes with a straw lid. Cup holder compatible too. Yeti quality at a discount. Grab it. The Bissell Little Green Mini is $85. This portable carpet cleaner is a legend at Black Friday sales every year. Perfect for pet owners and parents. It tackles spills and stains on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, pet beds. Saves pets with every purchase through the Bissell Pet Foundation. Includes tough stain tool and self-cleaning hose tool. If you have kids or pets, you need this. Quick section on bedding because these deals are too good to skip. The Beckham Hotel Collection Bed. Pillows, 6-pack for $60, down from $80. These have a 250 thread count cotton cover with soft polyester fill. Hotel-style soft feel, not firm. Easy to clean, just pop them in the washer and dryer. No shift design works for back, side, or stomach sleepers. Breathable and cool, great value for quality pillows. The GiveBest portable space heater is just $25. 2 heat levels, 1500 watts or 750 watts, plus a cool air fan for summer use. Thermostat control from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Flame retardant material, automatic shutoff when it overheats, tip-over protection. Compact with built-in carry handle. Upgrade ABS material for better flame resistance. Perfect for spot heating without warming your whole house. More cleaning tech because these deals are fire. The Levoit cordless stick vacuum is $150, down from $200. Up to 50 minutes of runtime with accessories in eco mode, 30 minutes with the vacuum head. Powerful suction handles unexpected messes fast. Lightweight and flexible, lies 180 degrees flat to reach under furniture, includes 3 LED lights. This is perfect for quick daily cleaning. The CGK Unlimited. Queen bed sheets, 4-piece set for $25, down from $42. These are soft, softer than Egyptian cotton. Breathable, cool, silky soft. Deep pockets fit mattresses up to 16 inches. Highest quality brushed microfiber. Great for bedrooms, guest rooms, kids' rooms, RVS. Affordable but super comfortable. Best bang for your buck on sheets. The Drio 6-liter humidifier is $80, down from $90. Super fast warm mist in just 5 minutes at 133 degrees Fahrenheit. Mistwave technology covers 550 square feet with 40-inch tall mist. 3 modes: manual with 3 mist levels, auto mode to maintain target humidity between 30 and 90%, and quiet sleep mode. Precision humidity control with 5% tolerance accuracy, twice as precise as conventional humidifiers. This is premium quality at a solid price. The Joymoop Ring Mop and Bucket Set is $34 with Prime, down from $45. 2-tank system, wash and dry. Scratch dirt away in the wash chamber, squeeze water out in the dry chamber. Hands-free cleaning. 360-degree rotation flat mop head reaches corners and under furniture. Compact storage, everything fits inside the bucket. Comes with 4 microfiber mop pad refills. Kitchen deals, let's go. The ThermoPro digital meat thermometer is just $14. 2-inch auto-rotating backlit display, motion-sensing sleep-wake function, IP65 waterproof for easy cleaning, 3 to 4 second ultra-fast response time with accuracy to plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Food-grade stainless steel probe, lock and calibration functions, magnetic back for metal surface placement. The KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Hand Mixer is $45, down from $60. 5 speeds from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. Lock the cord on either side for flexibility. Soft grip handle, easy 1-button accessory removal. KitchenAid quality at a great price for baking season. Now this is a big one. The Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker is $127, down from $210. Brews multiple cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Strong brew button for bolder flavor. ICED setting, brews hot over ice for perfect iced coffee. Hot water on demand for instant soups or oatmeal. Large 75-ounce water reservoir, brews 8 cups before refilling. This is the premium Keurig at a massive discount. The KitchenAid handheld immersion blender is $45, down from $70. Removable 8-inch blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade. Variable speed trigger switch. Patented removable pan guard protects cookware. Includes a 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid. Perfect for smoothies, soups, hummus, and more. The Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro is $100, down from $170. This thing replaces 14 cooking tools: slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and utensil. You can sear and sauté directly in the pot. 8.5 quart capacity makes chili for 20 people, or enough pulled pork for 30 sliders. Triple fusion. Heat technology cooks up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. The Chefman Crispinator air fryer is $100, down from $150. High-powered DC motor reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit for non-stop convection cooking. 6 cooking functions: air fry, broil, dehydrate, keep warm, and bake. 8-quart capacity with horizontal low-profile design. Unique dial controls with LED shake flip notifications. Built-in viewing window with interior light. The Apple Watch Series 10 is $359, down from $529. This is a massive $170 discount on Apple's latest watch. Bigger display with 30% more screen area, thinner and lighter design. Advanced health features, ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate notifications, menstrual cycle tracking, sleep apnea detection, Vitals app for overnight health metrics, depth and water temperature sensors, cellular connectivity to send texts and make calls without your iPhone. This is the smartwatch deal. The Amazon Smart Plug 2-pack is $40, down from $50. Works with Alexa for voice control. Simple setup through the Alexa app in minutes. Compatible with lamps, fans, coffee makers, and devices with physical on-off switches. Compact design keeps your second outlet free. Automatically reconnects after power or Wi-Fi outages. Great starter smart home product. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is only $40, down from $60. Powerful processor for lightning-fast navigation. Stream Xbox games with no console required via Game Pass. AI-powered Fire TV search. Find movies by actor, plot, or even iconic quotes. 4K Ultra HD with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos. Stream from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, and more. This is the best streaming stick deal right now. Audio deals. Let's talk premium sound. The Marshall Emberton 3 is $149, down from $180. Marshall Signature Sound with dynamic loudness. True stereophonic, multi-directional sound that flows around you. 32+ hours of battery life on a single charge. This is iconic Marshall quality at a discount. Now for earbuds. The Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 deliver rich sound and solid noise cancellation with a 36% price cut. Comfortable fit for long sessions, responsive controls, great battery life, water-resistant case. Integration with Gemini Live feels natural. The Beats Studio Buds are 47% off. Active noise cancellation. Big bass balanced by crisp highs, one-touch pairing for both Android and iOS. Secure in-ear seal, easy controls. Transparency mode for conversations without removing them. Spatial audio support. Great value at this discount. The Apple AirPods 4 are $119, down from $129. Redesigned for all-day comfort with refined contour and shorter stem. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. Apple H2 chip with voice isolation for better call quality. Just say Siri or Hey Siri for voice control. Siri interactions let you nod or shake your head to respond. Up to 5 hours listening time, 30 hours total with the case. USB-C charging case that's 10% smaller. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are $182, down from $250. Redesigned for best sound with long-lasting comfort. Sleek design that lights up. Adaptive active noise cancellation with Galaxy AI. Adaptive equalizer for sound optimization. Immersive audio. Real-time interpreter with Galaxy AI translates conversations through your earbuds. The Beats PowerBeats Pro are $170, down from $250. Totally wireless high-performance earbuds. Up to 9 hours listening time, over 24 hours with charging case. Adjustable secure fit ear hooks for comfort and stability during workouts. Sweat and water resistant. Volume and track controls on each earbud. These are BEAST earbuds for working out. And another mention for the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 at $169, down from $229. Small, light, most comfortable earbuds ever with the most secure fit. Twist to adjust stabilizer locks them in. Tensora 1 chip powers twice the active noise cancellation. Conversation detection pauses music when you start talking. Large 11mm drivers for powerful bass. The Colgate Optic White Overnight Teeth Whitening Pen is $16, down from $25. Visibly whiter teeth in just 1 week. Precision applicator targets each tooth. Quick drying gel formula works overnight. No tooth sensitivity, enamel safe, safe for daily use. Just dry your teeth, paint on the gel, let it dry overnight, and brush in the morning. 21 nightly treatments included. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer. Blow-dry brush is $31, down from $40. Style, dry, and volumize in 1 step. 30% less frizz reduces hair damage. Unique oval brush design smooths, while round edges create volume. Ionic technology for fast drying. Ceramic coating for even heat distribution. 3 heat speed settings with cool option. The 65-inch LG C4 Series OLED is $1,297, down from $2,700. That's a $1,403 savings. Self-lit OLED pixels, over 8 million of them. 100% color volume and color fidelity. Brightness booster technology. Dolby Vision, Filmmaker Mode, and Dolby Atmos. A 9AI processor, Gen 7 with AI super upscaling. Multi-View splits your screen into 2 unique views. This is a top-tier TV at almost half off. The 55-inch Hisense Canvas TV Series QLED is $798, down from $1,000. This is unique. It has Art Mode to display paintings when you're not watching. 4K QLED with quantum dot technology for over 1 billion color combinations. High matte display with low reflection coating gives artwork depth and texture. Comes with magnetic teak frame. You can swap in white or walnut frames. All right, everyone, those are the best early Amazon Black Friday deals right now. Huge savings like $1,400 off that LG OLED, $170 off the Apple Watch Series 10, and massive discounts on kitchen and cleaning gear. Amazon keeps updating deals all month, so stay tuned. I'll drop more videos with the latest price cuts soon. Which deal are you grabbing? The OLED, the Apple Watch, or some home essentials? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you score some deals, hit like, subscribe, and get ready for more Black Friday updates. Thanks for watching, happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next one.